In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resend an email in Gmail. Whether you need to fix a typo, add an attachment, or simply resend a message, you'll be able to do it seamlessly by following these steps. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Gmail by typing gmail.com into the address bar and hitting enter. This will take you to the Gmail sign-in page if you're not already logged in. Go ahead and enter your login credentials. If you're already logged in, you'll be directed straight to your inbox. Take a moment to let the page load completely to avoid any glitches or slowdowns. Once you're in your Gmail account, look for the Sent Mail folder on the left-hand side of the screen. It's in the sidebar, typically underneath the inbox option. Click on it to open your sent emails. This folder contains all the emails you've successfully sent from your account. Skim through the list and locate the email you wish to resend. Clicking on it will open the email in a new window or tab. With the email open, you'll notice at the top right corner, there's a drop-down menu icon that looks like 3 vertical dots. This is your More Options menu. Click on it, and a list of options will appear. Choose the option that says Forward. You'll see the email content appear in a new message window with the prefix FWD before the subject line. This is your chance to make any necessary changes. In this new message window, you can edit the subject line and make whatever updates you need. If you need to add an attachment, click on the paperclip icon at the bottom of the window. This will allow you to upload any file from your computer. You can also update the text body if necessary. For example, correcting an error or adding more information can be done by simply clicking into the text body and typing away. Now that your email is ready, direct your attention to the To field at the top of your email, where you need to input any correct or additional recipients. You can start typing an email address, and Gmail will provide suggestions based on your contacts list. Select the intended recipients from these suggestions, or type out the full address if it's not showing up. Before finally sending the email, take a moment to review the content, recipient addresses, and any attached files to ensure everything is correct and complete. Once you're satisfied, hit the Send button, which you'll find at the bottom of the message window. Your email will now be resent with any changes or additions you've made. And there you have it. You've now successfully resent an email in Gmail. With these steps, you can efficiently handle any situation that requires you to send out corrected or additional information. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful for your email needs.